I feel like my ability to be able to sing to and with my patients really helps soothe them, putting nurturing and compassion in through song. I can't think of a better way to give back to my patients. My name is Anne Koziara, and I am an accelerated BSN student here at Michigan State. I work at Angela Hospice as a student nurse associate, which is basically a hospice nurse extern. From the age of 6, I was taught that death is not a scary thing. You're more comfortable, you're no longer in pain. And so I kind of grew up throughout my whole life believing that and understanding that. And when I was thinking about career paths that I wanted to choose and strengths that I could use to build in my career, I realized that this was something that I had that not a lot of people have, and it would allow me to bring comfort and some healing to people and their families. And so I decided I wanted to use it in my everyday job. I love singing to my patients. I do it in a variety of ways. I've had patients that I will sing to them as I'm giving bed bath. I had a patient who I was sitting there holding her hand, and she was moaning and groaning in pain. And I asked her if she would like me to sing to her. I sang to her, and the whole rest of my shift, she did not moan or groan in pain. She was just so peaceful. And so I loved that I had that opportunity to give her that therapeutic relief. It's kind of like a non-pharmacological therapy. I also will do it as a social thing with patients. I have one patient currently who loves Barbra Streisand, and so I will sing with her. It's become kind of like a social thing for the patients too, in addition to it being therapeutic. I've been very fortunate at MSU to have clinical instructors that support my interest in hospice. If a clinical instructor saw a hospice nurse on the unit, they would say, "Oh, can my student talk with you?" I had a patient thank me for working in hospice. She said, "You know, there's a Shakespeare quote that really makes me think of you. The meaning of life is to find your gift. The purpose of life is to give it away." And how awesome that at 24 years old, I'm able to not only identify what my gift is, but also share it with others.